In front of me is REALME GT Neo 5 and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. All you need to do is hold your search bar and wait for Remove Widget pop-up to show up. When it does, click on it and confirm your choice in the second one. So when I do that, as you can see, my Google search bar was successfully deleted. To restore it, you can always pinch your device's display. Click Widgets at the bottom between Icons and Layout. Scroll down to find Google App, and when you find it, click on Google search bar over here. Then tap on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!